Hello students, welcome to online class. I am Lakshmi CM and today I am going to teach you English subject for the class 4th. Students, do you know in this class we are going to learn the new lesson. The lesson number 8, the name of lesson is A Great Leader. What is the name of lesson? The name of lesson is A Great Leader. Do you know students what is meant by leader? Leader in a Marathi we can say the Neta. A great leader, national leader. National leader it means Rashtriya Neta. Okay, do you know about the leaders, great leaders? Leaders it means we are going to see in this lesson about the leaders, those who fought against the British rule or British government for getting the independence for our country, our motherland India. The leader's name, for example, I will tell you, then you will understand. The leader is the great leader was Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Swatantra Veer Savarkar, and again Lokmanya Tilak. Like that way, so many great freedom fighter fought against the British rule to get independent for our country or for our motherland. Do you know all these students? So in this lesson we are going to see the story about one great national leader. Who was that? Everybody know that. That is Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay students, today we are going to learn in this lesson about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Do you know who was Mahatma Gandhi ji? What is the name of Mahatma Gandhi ji? Mahatma Gandhi ji is their name? Do you know? Is their name? No. What is his full name? You should know about it. What was his full name? Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. People lovingly called him Mahatma. Okay students? Or some people lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji. Okay? Are you getting me? So, in this class, we are going to learn about the Mahatma Gandhi ji. You should know about the when he was born. He was born on the 2 October. Okay, so you should keep in mind what is it means. Little things you should keep in mind. So many few things, that is when he was born, about his work, what was his name, full name, about his nickname, it means how the people lovingly called him, that is you should know about it, and little work. Okay students, did you understand? So we will start the lesson. What is given here we will see it. Look at here. First is Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leader of the world. Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Look at here. What here told? Look at here. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leader of the world. Where in the world he was one of the greatest leaders among the all leaders. Other leaders win wars by hurting the others and killing them. Look at here. Other leaders also other leaders were there, but how they won their wars, their fight, they won their wars by hurting the other. They hurt the other people and then they won. They killed the other peoples, it means their enemies. They killed their enemies and they won. But Mahatma Gandhi ji, one of the greatest leader. What he did, we will see in the next line. Look at here, what is given next. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles, or bombs. Look at here. Mahatma Gandhi didn't use the weapons. Weapons it means in Marathi we can say the shastra, astra. Okay students, you should know in the weapons what it will come. Sword it will come, gun it will come, rifle it will come, knife it will come, then bomb it will come. Did you understand? These all are called weapons that we are using for the killed someone. We can use it a good way also, but rifles, gun, what we can use that? We can kill to someone. Did you understand? That is called the weapons. But what is important given here, that here given that Mahatma Gandhi didn't use any arms and any weapons to kill the others. That this is a most important and you should keep in mind. Okay students, so we will see the next. And 8, look at here, and 8, he won the war of India's independence. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, father of the nation. So students, then also Mahatma Gandhi ji won the wars of India's independence. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, that is father of nation. And again what they called? Father of nation. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji. You should keep in mind, this is very important. So we will see the next. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. Do you know what is meant by iron will? Iron will, it means strong determination. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. Then if he decided to do something, he did it no matter how difficult it was. One day he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. Look at here students, what here given there, that Gandhiji was a man of iron will. It means he was a strong determination man. If he decided anything to do, then he will definitely do that things. Okay student, he completed that thing. What he determined to do, that things he do. If there is no matter how much it is difficulty or how it is their way was too much difficult, that is doesn't matter. ओके स्टुडंट्स, म्हणजे गांधीजी हे स्ट्रॉंग डिटर्मिनेशन, ठाम मतवादी होते आणि त्यांनी जर एखादी गोष्ट ठरवली की हे आपल्याला करायचं आहे, ती गोष्ट ते पूर्ण करायचं. मग ती गोष्ट कितीही अवघड असली आणि त्या मार्गामध्ये कितीही संकट असली तरी ते न डगमगता जी गोष्ट ठरवलेली आहे ती गोष्ट ते पूर्ण करणारच. त्यांनी एके दिवशी त्यांनी काय ठरवलं मुलांना? त्यांनी ठरवलं की आपल्याला रोज सकाळी उठून अर्ली मॉर्निंग प्रेयर करायचे आहे. प्रेयर म्हणजे काय? प्रार्थना करायची आहे एव्हरी डे, आणि इथून पुढं प्रत्येक दिवशी ती करायची आहे. आणि त्या दिवसापासून त्यांनी काय केलं? लवकर उठून प्रार्थना म्हणायला सुरुवात केली. आणि फ्रॉम दॅट डे ऑनवर्ड्स ही नेवर मिस द प्रेयर. आणि त्यांनी एकही दिवस असा घालवला नाही की त्यांनी ती प्रेयर मिस केली. Do you understand students? Here is that all told about the Gandhiji. So we will see the next. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to the truth, simplicity and non-violence. That is not hurting others. Look at here. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to the truth, simplicity and non-violence. Truth, it means we will speak always right, and truth it means satya. Simplicity it means very simple. sadhepana and non-violence. Non-violence, it means we are not going to hurt the other people or beat the other people. That is called non-violence. Okay, did you understand? So we will see the next. Gandhiji's dress was very simple, just a lawn cloth, a dhoti worn above the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Look at here, students. Here is given about the Gandhiji clothes, how he was wearing the clothes, and what cloth he was weared. Look at here. He was over the dhoti. You can see in this picture. Look at here. Here is shown that he on the dhoti, and some that is above the knee. It means gudgyacha varti, above the knees, and sometimes a shawl, and he keeping sometime a shawl. Next, look at here. Could he not afford fancy, fashionable clothes? Of course he could, but this simple loincloth was her deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? Look at here, students. He don't like to do fancy, wearing the fancy clothes or fashionable clothes, but he didn't wear because it is affordable for him, but he didn't wear the fancy clothes. He always worn the simple loin clothes. And how did he come to make this choice? Okay, students, did you understand? We will see the next. What is given next? Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in the Odisha. Usually men and women gathered in the large numbers to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On making enquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in the part of the country were so poor that their women folk had not decent things to wear. Look at here, students. What is given here? Here is given one incident about the Gandhiji's life. When he was on the lecture tours, it means he was going village to village, and it means state to state going, and there he was giving a lectures. When he went at Odisha, where he went at the Odisha, it means in the state of Odisha. There, what he saw, it means generally for the lectures there were men and women togetherly came for in the large number to listen his lectures. But in Odisha, what happened when he went Odisha for the lectures? There were women were not seen in this public meeting. Okay, student, he didn't see the woman. When he inquires that why ladies not coming there for the attend the class or attend the lecture or attend the public meeting, then Gandhiji found that their pupils were so much poor, and they have they they had not the decent things or decent cloth to wear, and came for the public meeting. Did you understand, student? So the Odisha's ladies or their people not came for the lectures, or they didn't attend the lectures because they didn't have a fancy or a decent cloth. It means not fancy actually, but decent, how we wear regular clothes at home, like that clothes also they didn't have. So see the next, what is given there. Therefore, they kept away from the public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. Be it cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. Look at here, student. When Gandhiji heard that about the people of Odisha, or most important about the ladies or women from the Odisha, that time what he decided, he when he heard that things, when he listened about that, so he felt so much badly, he so much pained, he deeply pained because he didn't like these things, because it is so much horrible that peoples or ladies or women didn't have clothes for wearing. From that day he decided to wear so much minimum clothes. So he only decided to wear a dhoti, and upside he always taking a shawl. If climate it will be hot or it will be cold, always they wore only the dhoti and one shawl they uh, took. Look at here, you can see in this picture, students, here is given the picture of Gandhiji, and in this picture you can see his clothes, how he wore the clothes, and how it was too much simple in every season. It means if there is cold, if there was a cold, if there was a rain, if there was a hot, in that every season he wore on that much clothes. Okay, did you understand? This was a simple dress, and here is a given the example of simplicity of Mahatma Gandhi ji. You can easily understand this. Okay, students. So look at here. Today, what we have seen. Today we have seen here a great national leader about Mahatma Gandhi ji. So we have seen here about he gave a lot of importance to the truth, simplicity, and non-violence. We have seen here about his iron will, it means strong determination. We have seen here the example of his simplicity. Did you understand, students? Today we have seen here about Mahatma Gandhi ji. In the next lecture we are going to continue this topic, and in this topic we are again going to learn the interesting things about the Mahatma Gandhi ji. So students, this is all for today. We will meet in the next video with a remaining topic. We are going to continue our topic in the next lecture. Till that time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep study. Thank you.